Hello students, today I am teaching to you class 6 science chapter 5 separation of substances. In this chapter already I studied you about the different methods for the separation of substances. Today I will teach you another method called filtration for the separation of some types of substances from the given mixture. So first of all, here we will learn about the what is filtration. Filtration means it is a process in which we can remove some insoluble solids from a liquid by using a filter paper. For example, suppose that we have a mixture of insoluble solid and liquid in a beaker. And for the filtration, for the filtration, we use a funnel, filter paper, funnel, filter paper, and some apparatus like that. This apparatus is used for holding the funnel in such a way that, and the filter paper is placed inside the funnel, which is used to filter out the insoluble solid from the given mixture. And we use a glass rod with the help of this glass rod pouring the mixture into the funnel, and liquid comes into the another beaker. As I draw the system in this paper. A funnel is used for the filtration process, and another beaker is poured under the funnel or the apparatus for the collection of clean water or liquid. If you take a liquid as a water, so water is collected here, and any other liquid is collected in the second beaker. This process is called filtration, and by using filtration process we can remove the insoluble solid from the mixture of insoluble solid and the liquid. So what is filtration? The process of removing insoluble solids from a liquid by using a filter paper is known as filtration. And the filtration is used for separating insoluble substances from a liquid. This filtration is used for separating insoluble substances from a liquid. For example, if we have a mixture of chalk and water, then we can separate by using the method. And for example, we have a mixture of sand water, we can also separate by using the filtration method. And in daily life we use the tea strainer for the separation of used tea leaves from the prepared tea by the process of filtration. So we note that the filtration method is only used for the separation of solid insoluble substances from the liquid mixture, and it cannot be remove any solid substances which are dissolved in liquid. For example, if the sugar is dissolved in tea, cannot be separated by filtration.